Have you been wondering how to use grapefruit essential oil, referred to as a forbidden fruit and one of the seven wonders of Barbados? Grapefruit was first documented in 1750 by Welshman Reverend Griffith Hughes. The name grapefruit is attributed to the fruits growing in clusters which resemble those of grapes. Stay tuned and I'll tell you how to use it. I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. So, how can you use grapefruit essential oil? Let's talk about that. Teenage years can be rough, right? And with constant blemishes making their appearance, feelings of self-consciousness can quickly add to already existing frustrations. For a simple way to help your teenager improve the appearance of blemishes, add grapefruit essential oil to his or her nightly facial routine. Avoid sun exposure for up to 12 hours after applying any citrus oil topically. Are you trying to shed some extra weight or stick to a diet? Use grapefruit essential oil to help you meet your goals. Add a few drops of grapefruit oil into a diffuser to help increase motivation. The fruit and spry flavor of grapefruit essential oil makes a great addition to a variety of different foods and drinks. To enliven the flavor of your smoothies and also give your body the benefits of grapefruit essential oil, add 1 or 2 drops of grapefruit oil to your favorite smoothie. Push the tense feelings away with the aromatic and topical benefits of grapefruit oil. If you're feeling tense or down, rub 1 or 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil into your neck and shoulders for positive vibes. Grapefruit essential oil will help promote feelings of vitality and will uplift your mood. Oftentimes, reading or studying for long periods of time can cause the mind to wander and lose focus. For those moments when you need a boost to help you study, or you're wanting to finish up that last pages of a book, diffuse grapefruit essential oil. Diffusing it will help promote a sense of focus while studying or reading. For a citrus diffuser blend you can't get enough of, put 2 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of juniper berry, and 1 drop of wild orange in a diffuser. You will love it. When doing a breast detox, grapefruit, frankincense, and pink pepper essential oils are what I recommend. Watch for an upcoming video series on how to do a breast detox. You can use grapefruit essential oil topically, aromatically, and internally. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.